Hi guys, welcome back. So just a quick update. Here's what we've painted last time using the Boss back to black product. So it seems like it's already worn out or faded after about 2 weeks. I'm not sure if it does came off if you rub your fingers. Oh yeah, it does came off when you rub your fingers around it. So let's grab a wipe or a towel and see if this dust came off if we rub it. I'm sure it does, because yeah, it does came up pretty easily. So it does seem to work, but only for a couple of days to, I think, most likely a week or two. Then you need to reapply it again. So we need to reapply the product or just buy a high temperature paint and paint this all over. Guys, that's for the update. Hope to see you in the next vlog, and peace out.